in a long term it will not show charging as charge will flow. So second is correct over here. Next is a metal rod with insulating handle. However, if you repeat the same process by keeping insulating handle, so human body here is conducting. So if you keep insulating handle, then suppose it gets positive charge, this is insulator, so there will no transfer of charge, hence it will show charging, and as it can attract other objects. So if you use an insulating handle, certainly it will show charging. So we can say that first option will be correct over here. Next is, if we connect a copper wire to a neutral pith ball and a negative charge to the ball, then obviously pith ball will get negative charge as there will be transfer of charge. So second option will be correct over here. Next is, in the above question, if a nylon thread or rubber band is used, so the rubber band or nylon thread is an insulator. So as I explained earlier, so there will be no transfer of charge. So second is correct over here. Next is substances which allow electricity to pass through them are called conductors basically. So first is correct over here. Next, conductors have, so they have free electrons in them, because of which they are able to conduct. So first is correct. Next is, which of the following are conductors? All are conductors. Fourth is correct. Which non-metals are? All are example of non-metals. 4 is correct. Next is, non-metals they offer high resistance to the flow of electricity. So first is correct over here. Next is, substances are, so substances may be metals, non-metals or semiconductors. Fourth is correct. Next is, substances are, they may also be classified as conductors, semiconductors and insulators. Fourth is correct over here. Next is, when some charge is given to a conductor, then it gets distributed over the entire surface. Yes, because suppose this is a conductor and you put up positive charge over here, then what will happen is, it has contain excess of free electrons, so they will ultimately get transferred to this point, and ultimately the potential energy of the system has to be minimum. So in steady state we can say that there should be uniform distribution of charge, so that there is no free movement of electrons. So for that the charge has to be uniformly distributed, so that there is no component of electric field along the surface. So in a steady situation we can say that charge should be uniformly distributed, so that there is no tangential component of electric field, and hence it should be distributed uniformly. So we can say that first is correct over here, whereas in case of insulator there are no free electrons, so it can stick at the same place. So second is correct over here.